Hey friends, I got another product to tell you about. This is the QuisiPro, Quisipro right here. QuisiPro 4-sided box grater. So, as you can see, we have definitely used this quite a lot. So, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this. It is 10.5 inches lengthwise, 3.75 inches across, and then 10.5 inches for the height. It has the surface glide technology, so what that means is if I am putting it down and I am, grating a block of cheese, it kind of like goes with the angle. You can kind of like move it around, and it just it takes the pressure off of your hands and arms when you're grating. It also comes with one of those little cheese catchers at the bottom. I just don't know where that is at the moment. I like this non-slip handle. It provides a good grip and stability when I'm grating things, and you can also grate things other than cheese. I've used a grater for like zucchini, for carrots, for onions, if I'm shredding things, to make like a meatloaf or meatballs. So this is my preferred side when I'm grating cheese. This side is more if you're wanting it like finely grated, and then this side would be good for if you have like garlic, you're wanting it to be just like finely grated, or sometimes even onion. It washes really well. I prefer not to put this in the dishwasher. I prefer to like wash it right away so that you don't end up having little crusty cheese things like that. But that, happens when you're using it a bunch. And this is a really, really great item and handy for the kitchen. We'll actually use it soon because we're about to make a bunch of enchiladas, so I have lots of cheese to grate, so this is the perfect thing. So, I hope someone in your life can enjoy this great